Ever needed to write a check and realized you're out? Maybe you're paying rent, gifting someone a birthday check, or covering a service charge. It's an inconvenience we've all faced. So, if you're an Ally Bank customer with a spending account, how do you get more checks? It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through it. First, you'll need to log into your Ally account. You can do this on your desktop or through the mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to the main menu. On the desktop, you'll see a tab labeled Spending. Click on that. If you're on the mobile app, tap the More option and then select Spending. From there, you'll want to find the Order Checks option. On the website, it's usually on the right-hand side of your spending account dashboard. In the app, you'll find it under your account details. It's a straightforward link, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. Clicking this will take you to a new page where you can place your order. You'll see a few options for your checks. Ally partners with a third-party service, so the customization is pretty standard. You'll be able to choose the style of your checks. Usually, there are a few basic designs to pick from. You can also specify the number of checks you want to order, typically in a box of 100 or 200. The cost will be displayed right there, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Once you've made your selections, you'll confirm your shipping information. The address on file with your Ally account will be the default, but you'll have a chance to double-check and make any necessary changes. Finally, you'll review your order summary and authorize the payment. The amount will be deducted directly from your Ally spending account. And that's it. Your check order is placed. You'll usually receive an email confirmation with an estimated delivery date. Standard shipping is typically free, and it takes about 7 to 10 business days for the checks to arrive. Now you'll have a fresh supply of checks for whatever life throws your way. It's a simple, seamless process designed to keep your financial life running smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.